It's Mike Beck, the Bungalow Chef, and we're working today with barbecued pork. You know, sometimes you have leftover pork or beef roast, and what we're going to do today is show a wonderful barbecue sauce. And you're going to make it and repurpose your pork for another meal. Well, the first thing you'd like to do is take a heavy pan and bring it up to medium temperature. We're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're adding 1 large Vidalia onion, chopped medium. And we're going to stir that, and we're going to caramelize those onions. Now we're adding garlic. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped garlic. And we're adding 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. I just grated it. We're going to stir that through. And it's just going to be a couple minutes. Let that start caramelizing. You can smell that ginger and the garlic. We're going to be adding 2 cups of root beer. Two cups of ketchup. We're going to stir that well. We're going to be adding brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup. And 2 tablespoons of molasses. And we're going to bring that to a nice simmer and let it reduce by 50%. All right, now that the barbecue sauce has reduced by 50%, we're going to add our pork. The aroma of this sauce is amazing. You can smell the ginger and it's nicely caramelized. We're going to let this cook for another 10-15 minutes just to come up to temperature, and we're ready to serve it. This is Mike Mack with Bungalow Chef, and we just repurposed leftover pork into delicious barbecue pork dinner.